Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here you see I'm expecting pullback from this Bollinger, so as I place my trade put option, definitely sellers must enter. You see from this Bollinger band, market is doing panic, but I know definitely sellers must enter. You see, I place my trades. Here is pull back from this level. Market must create even star here, so as I place my trades immediately at the previous candle, because I know after this candle sellers must enter in form of evening star. You see, this is strong sellers entry. That's why I place my trade immediately. Because of the pullback area, you see, market has rejected from this lower Bollinger band, but still I'm expecting sellers after this candle. But I have to get good entry point. Yes, you see, I'm expecting sellers, but I have to get good entry point. Yes, I get good entry points because of the pullback. So I place my trade put option, even though market closed at the sellers buyers area, but still I know sellers must enter from this level. Market is doing panic, but I know it must give me in trade, because here in the pullback from one deviation Bollinger band. So I know sellers must enter. You see rejection from 2 deviation and rejection from 1 deviation, and this is even star formation. So I know definitely market must pull back from this level. So that's why I place my trades put option, but market is doing panic. You see, sellers entry, another winning trade. You see here rejection from 1 deviation full back, but I'm late, so let me change. You see I'm late. It's very good opportunity. You see here, but market didn't touch Bollinger. I will wait for market to touch this Bollinger band, then I place my trade put option in the direction of full back, in the direction of major and minor trend. Here you see it is bad market, very bad market, but here is pullback. But this one is not nice. It's not nice. This one will fail. Here you see markets network is not nice. You see here very Time has passed because of the network. So let me change. Here you see strong downtrend double top, and then here's double overhead and shoulders. Yes, first shoulder, second shoulder, head, the neckline, the neckline. This is the neckline here. Yes, so if market pulls back from this level, I will place put option because of this neckline. Here, yes, market this market has already touched the neckline. You see, market rejected from the neckline. Rejection from this Bollinger, but we are in consolidation area. Yes, we are in consolidation area. If market go higher, at the time has finished. So you see another pullback here, but this is too huge candle. Yes, here you see market is trying to cross this level. This is the neckline. Peg breakout. Here is the peg breakout of this neckline. I will wait to see what will happen. Next candle, you see. So here is fake breakout of this level. Maybe let me wait because we are far away from 2 deviations. So here market is trying to go up, but if this candle is red candle, I know it's pulled back from this neckline. If market create red candle, so I know it's pulled back from this neckline. Even though here are buyers, I know sellers must enter. If this candle is red, you see it's not red candle. So it's not red candle. This is consolidation area. Let me change another one. Yes, here fake breakout, but market is trying to create double bottom here, so I will wait. If this candle is a red candle, I will place put option, so I know it's pull back, because these candles, two candles, this didn't form at this level, so it may create double bottom here, because the trend is strong downtrend, you see, for a long time. So market is trying to reverse from this level. Market may create double bottom here, but if this one is red, I know market is still going, the trend is still strong. You see, it's not red, so market must go up from this level. So I'm trading full back, so I will not place my trade, but here is call. This here is clear call, so but I'm trading full back. I will not place my trade here. Yes, I will not place my trade. So here you're supposed to place your trade call option here, because market is trying to create double bottom here. The trend has finished completely, so that's why I didn't place my trade. But let's see, maybe if this one is red engulfing, I will place put option, but this is supposed to be green candle. This candle is supposed to be green. You see, I know it's supposed to be green. This candle is called, you see, so you're supposed to place your trade here below. This one will be green again because of double bottom, but I will not check my trade here. Let me check another one. Here is another double bottom here, so no full back trade. Will fail. Let me see, check another opportunity. I'm trading only full back, so that's why you see here is another, all of them are double bottom. So maybe if I didn't get opportunity, I will finish my trading. You see here is very good one, but you see here, good opportunity, but I was not there. See here, maybe full back round. This one is retracement candle of this upcoming uptrend, so this is full back of this double bottom. Here is the neckline, you see rejection. It's full back of this double bottom, you see, after breakout, full back, rejected, call. Yes, yes, you see here, you see, this is full back, this is full back. Yes, I will place call option. I place my third call option here because of the full back from neckline. Market is doing panic, but I know definitely this level must be broken now, so that's why I place my trade call option immediately. You see, market is doing panic, but I know it must give me winning trade. So let's see, we have 26 seconds. Market is doing some panic, but I know definitely buyers must enter. You see buyers entry, you see strong buyers entry. You see this is winning trade, so I know definitely this is a full back from neckline. So now market will be going up. Maybe you should expect a retracement candle, then market will start going up. So this is the end of this video. I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade, full back trade. Here you see downtrend here, strong downtrend, full back from 1 deviation Bollinger Band. This one, another downtrend here. You see, I place immediately full back from 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Then the last trade here, you see, after double bottom, head and shoulders, you see, first shoulder, head, then second shoulder. So you should expect strong bias, and this is the pullback. This candle touch neckline in form of pullback to neckline. Then I place my trade call option on the next candle. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share, comment. If you have any suggestion, please drop it in the comment section. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. I will say thank you. Bye bye.